We'll start with the chiropractic adjustments. We have a patient today. He had a cervical surgery. Post that, his neck has become very stiff. He's unable to move and he's got hunch in his back. Also experiencing a lot of weakness in the muscles. We've started with the tense therapy. कैसा लग रहा है आपको सेशन करने के बाद? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पूरा बॉडी ऐसा लग रहा है. Okay. You relax. Are you feeling more strength in your joints now? Are you able to feel more mobility? Yes, better. Can you turn your neck and show us? How much can you turn? Yes. The other side. Much better. So if you like this session, give a like to the video and please subscribe to my channel.